We are calling violence against women and girls the national emergency that it is.
We've made it a mission for the UK government to halve violence against women and girls over the next 10 years.
This is pernicious, it is underreported, undersupported, and we have to shift that.
Tough talk from government time and time again. Promises pushed back into the spotlight after calls for the Court of Appeal to review a case which saw 2 teenage boys evade prison after raping 2 children. Lucy Duckworth is an advisor for the Survivors Trust, as well as a survivor of child abuse herself.
I speak to thousands of survivors, literally, who have said they wish they'd never reported because the journey to do so was more traumatic than the rape or the assault itself. I mean, this is a horrific thing to say. I've spoken to people who reported it and 5 years later are still waiting for a trial. And let's not forget, of those 15% who do report it, once they get to trial, the current statistics are they've only got a 1.6% of getting chance of their abuser getting a conviction. This just has to change.
Explaining the sentence, Judge Nicholas Rowland said, "I should avoid criminalising these children unnecessarily before sending them home with just a curfew and a restraining order."
It seems that he has placed too much emphasis on their rehabilitation rather than on punishing them for the crime. So I don't know all the guidance that was applied in this case, but I anticipate that the Attorney General, if he receives that bundle of papers from the prosecuting barrister, will in all likelihood send it off to the Court of Appeal for a decision to be made, and that will be made fairly quickly.
For many, this case is yet another reminder that promises alone won't rebuild trust, and ask whether the justice system will ever deliver for women and girls. Siobhan Freeman Powell, Sky News.